Cut a pipe cleaner in half and fold into an M. Twist into a Y. Twist the tips with a needle in the end to make a loop. With some yarn on a needle, start wrapping up the Y. Try to wrap around the tail to secure it better. Go through the loop at the tip using the needle to wrap fully around the Y. Make sure to leave about an inch unwrapped at the bottom. At the bottom, wrap up the base and a needle pointed down at the same time. Thread onto the needle and pull through to secure and cut the end. And that's how you make snowman arms.